Today, we are diving into one of the trickiest parts of the CAT exam, logical reasoning and data interpretation, or LRDI. Let's explore how to decode CAT's hidden logic challenges and master every scenario with clarity and confidence. LRDI can make or break your CAT score. Why is it so tough? Because you're solving high-stakes puzzles under tight time pressure. The question formats are unpredictable. They switch from tables to puzzles to weird logic games. You need layered thinking, strategic elimination, and the ability to spot misleading or missing data in every set. Let's now look at the types of logic hidden in these questions. CAT loves to wrap logic inside different forms. Here are the most common. Conditional logic, classic if this then that traps. Distribution and grouping, assigning people, items, or conditions to different buckets. Circular or linear arrangements, where position and direction matter a lot. Binary decisions, like yes, no, true, false choices under constraints. And sometimes, it's actually data sufficiency in disguise, checking if the information is even enough to answer. Let's take an example, 8 people seated in a circle. Simple? Not really. The hidden logic? Left and right flip depending on your orientation. To crack this, fix one person's position. Then use diagrams to map out everyone else's spot. And here's a tip. Use elimination to reject contradictions and zero in on the valid setup. Next, imagine analyzing a round-robin tournament table. You don't get full results, just scattered wins and losses. The hidden challenge? You need to infer missing results. What works best? Create a matrix to track everything. And assign variables to unknown scores. Then apply logical constraints to fill in the blanks. Here's a classic. You're told about students liking cricket, football, and hockey, with overlapping preferences. The trap? Double counting overlaps. To beat it, draw a clear Venn diagram, label each section with variables. Start from the total, subtract known intersections, and solve logically. It's not just drawing, it's calculating smartly. Now let's talk about one of CAT's sneakiest question types, data sufficiency. You're given two statements and asked if one or both are enough to answer a question. The trap? One might look sufficient but actually isn't. Strategy: test each statement independently, then together. And always validate with examples. Never assume anything. So what's the universal approach? Read all conditions thoroughly before starting. Draw diagrams or tables, visualize the logic. Label everything clearly, knowns versus unknowns. Use deduction first, don't jump to options. And keep rechecking conditions as you solve, rules often hide in plain sight. Success in LRDI isn't just logic, it's also mental. Common traps include fixating on one approach, assuming missing data is irrelevant, burning time on uncrackable sets. Instead, stay flexible, persistent, and mindful of time. LRDI is a mind game, and mindset matters. Let's wrap it up with the big takeaways. Time practice builds real exam endurance. Always do error analysis, review what tripped you up. Pick your sets wisely, not every puzzle is worth your time. And develop visual thinking, diagrams, grids, and logic trees will be your best allies. Remember, CAT LRDI is equal to logic plus calm plus visual clarity. Thanks for learning with the Concept Bites. Stay tuned for more smart strategies and breakdowns to help you crack the CAT and every logic test life throws at you.